All right, let's talk about creating the best content calendar for content success. If you're part of a marketing team, you know how easy it is for things to get chaotic. So I'm breaking it down into 8 practical steps that'll keep you ahead of the game. First up, define your campaign goals. Are you looking to drive traffic, boost engagement, or push conversions? Get crystal clear on your objectives before you create a single post. Everything should tie back to what you actually want to achieve. Next, map out your key dates. Think of product launches, holidays, or industry events. Pop these on your calendar first. They're your anchors. Missing a major moment could mean missing out on serious results. Now, audit your existing content. Take a good look at what you've already got. What's working? What's gathering dust? Repurpose high performers and ditch anything that's no longer relevant. Step 4. Choose the right channels. Not every piece of content belongs everywhere. Figure out where your audience hangs out and focus your efforts there. LinkedIn for B2B, Instagram for visuals. You get the idea. Once that's sorted, build a flexible content calendar. Plan ahead, but leave room for last-minute pivots. News breaks, trends change. Flexibility is key if you want your content to stay fresh and relevant. Optimize your content mix. Blend formats, blogs, videos, infographics, polls. Don't just stick to one style. Mixing it up will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Align your content with keywords. Research what your audience is actually searching for and weave those keywords into your posts. It's not just for SEO, it helps you stay genuinely helpful and visible. And finally, review and refine regularly. Your calendar isn't set in stone. Check what's working, tweak what's not, and keep improving. The best calendars evolve over time. So there you go, 8 steps to build a content calendar that actually delivers results. Stick to these, and your marketing team will be unstoppable. Good luck!